When we are saying the Theka, we come up to a point where Barabar, Dugun and Tigun is to be introduced. Now, Tigun is a concept where you are going 3 beats to 1 matra. 3 bols to 1 beat. Till now it was 1, 2, 4 and 8. And it's comparatively easier for us to do this in the 2s and 4s and 8s. In a 16-beat cycle, which is what the Teentaal is all about, to have an introduction to the Tigun is a tricky element. Now, many of you in the beginners' lessons have been asking me for Tigun. So many of you have sent me requests and emails asking me to teach you that. The reason why I'm doing so in the intermediate level is because the concept of Tigun can only be introduced once you are confident with Barabar, Dugun, Chaugun, Ekgun, so on and so forth. Tigun should now be introduced. I personally feel introducing the right concept at the right time is very important for it to be absorbed and understood. Let's go from the very beginning. We will start with Barabar, Dugun, then I will come to Tigun. Do the Chaugun and stop. After that, I will show you how to actually do the Tigun because it is tricky. When we are showing the Tal, it's important to say the syllables of the Tal rather than the Tatkaar. So the Theka bols, which could be dha dhin dhin dha dhin dhin dha tin tin ta dhin dhin da, or some people call it na dhin dhin na dhin dhin na tin tin na ta dhin dhin na. Now the reason why there is this variation because some people use tabla bols, some people use bakhavaj bols, some people use mridang bols, some people use gungru bols. Everybody has their own connotations and their own interpretations. So let's not go into that controversy. Let's start giving the Theka as dha, dhin, dhin, dha. Because in the beginner's lessons, many a times I have given you the option of saying na, dhin, dhin, na. Okay? Let's do that. Dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, dha, barabar, ta. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, double. Dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, dha. Dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta. Now we go in numbers and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. 1 is the sum that joins the entire cycle, the Tal cycle. So what we did is 1, 1, 1, 1 was Barabar, meaning 1 bol and 1 matra. Now we move to Dugun, which is 2 bols in 1 matra. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Since we are introducing the concept of Tigun, what's going to happen? Naturally, we are talking about 3 bols in 1 particular beat. 3 bol, 1 matra. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Correct? 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Let's go back to 3 because 1, 2 and 4 we've already covered in the beginner's session. So it is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Shall we do it with numbers first, the 16-beat cycle? Be careful. Watch carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. So after 16 you go back to 1 and somehow you have to have only 3 numbers in one particular matra or beat or bol. Am I clear about that? Let's do this with the Teentaal bols now. I will show you the Tigun with dha dhin dhin dha. Dha dhin dhin dha dha dhin dhin dha dha tin tin ta ta dhin dhin dha da dhin dhin dha da dhin dhin dha da tin tin ta ta dhin dhin dha da dhin dhin da da tin tin ta ta dhin dhin da da dhin dhin dha dha. Now let's go 1, 2, 3 and 4 together. Clear? 5, 6, 7, 8. Dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, dha and dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, din din da da din din da din din da 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So there you see the pulse of 3 is going. Let's only do 3 followed by 4. Dha din din da din din da tin tin ta din din da din din da din din da tin tin ta din din da din din da din din da tin tin ta din din da din din da din din da din tin ta din din da din din da tin tin ta din din da din din da din din da tin tin ta din din da din din da tin tin ta din din da din din da din din da tin tin ta din din da din din da din din da tin tin ta din din da din din da tin tin ta din din da din din da. So you have to literally play with tal. You've got to throw it and catch it with 3 and 2 and 1. So that is the game you have to play. It's all a game of numbers. Unless you have 1, 2, 4 frozen into your system, understood well, and you can do that at a subconscious level, to pick up the Tigun will be very tricky, almost very, very difficult. So stick to doing the Teentaal of Barabar, Dugun, Chaugun, establish it. Then do the Teentaal of Tigun. We'll now be exploring the same concept with the music in my next lesson. Before you go to the next lesson, make sure you are saying the Padhant in the right way. We can use ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, 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 ta. As a dancer, we normally use ta thei thei tat. So let's explore this more in detail with the music in our next lesson.